Hi children, how are you all? Welcome back to the next session. In today's session, we are going to learn a new poem. The title of the poem is Daddy Fell into the Pond. Yes, it is a humorous poem. Are you all ready, children? So first let us see who is the author of the poem. This poem was written by an English poet, Alfred Noyes. Along with poem, he also writes many short stories and plays. His famous poems are The Highwayman, The Victory Ball, The Heart of Canada and many more. So children, Alfred Noyes was born in September 1880 and died in June 1958. This is all about the author of the poem. Now, let us read a funny poem about the speaker's father falling into the pond. The first stanza is, Everyone grumbled. The sky was grey. We had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond. Yes. What is all about the first stanza? Here, the children are saying that the sky was very grey, meaning it is very dull. They were nothing to do and nothing to say for them, since it is a boring day, right? And they came to the end of the day and the day was so boring, they didn't do anything and enjoyed much. And then what happened? Suddenly, their daddy fell into the pond. So, this is all about the first stanza. The next stanza, that is the second stanza, is about, and everyone's face grew merry and bright, and Timothy danced for sheer delight. Give me the camera, quick, oh quick! He is crawling out of the duckweed. Click! So, the second stanza is about, once their daddy fell into the pond, everyone's face grew merry and bright. Merry in the sense they all were so cheerful since their daddy fell into the pond, and they all were looking very bright. And Timothy is nothing but one of the children, okay, the daughter of daddy. She danced for sheer delight, meaning she was completely dancing with happiness and joy by seeing her daddy fell into the pond. And she was shouting like, give me the camera, quick, oh quick. She was about to take a photograph of her dad who fell into the pond. And she also said that he is crawling out of the duckweed. Duckweed in the sense, children, a small flowering plants that will be seen in the water. Since daddy has fallen into the pond, he got stuck in the duckweed. Crawling in the sense, like babies will be crawling out and crawling, right? So similarly, her father also was crawling out of the duckweed. So all the tiny flowering plants, it got stuck up in his legs and he was just crawling. Okay, duckweed is nothing but small tiny plants that is found in the water, that is inside the pond. She clicked a photograph of her father who fell into the pond. And the third stanza is all about, then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up shaking silently, and the ducks all quacked as if they were daft, and it sounded as if the old drag laughed. Oh, there wasn't a thing that did not respond when daddy fell into the pond. So, what is written in the third stanza? The third stanza is all about, once she has taken the photograph of her father who fell into the pond, the gardener was enjoying. He was slapping his knee and the gardener was enjoying about his father's fell into the pond and doubled up shaking silently. He was just enjoying by seeing the father fell into the pond, and the ducks all quacked as if they were daft. So, you have so many ducks in the pond. So all these ducks were behaving very foolishly, in the sense once a person falls into the pond, all the ducks were behaving very foolishly, in the sense all will be very scared, right? When a human being falls into the pond, it will be kind of disturbing, right? So they all behaved very badly, and it sounded as if the old drake laughed. What is the meaning of drake? Drake in the sense a male duck. Male duck in the sense it will be sounded differently, in the sense it will not be similar to the other ducks. So the old drake in the sense a male duck, a very old male duck was laughed by seeing his father falling into the pond, and was nothing that did not responded. So everyone enjoyed the daddy's fell into the pond. So everybody did responded to his action, and this is said to be as the daddy fell into the pond. So this is a very humorous and funny poem, isn't it, children? So what are all the key words that you see in this poem? Grumbled. What is the meaning of grumbled? It is complained. So the children were complaining, right, that the day was so boring. They didn't do anything and they did not say anything. So grumbled is nothing but complaining. So what is dismal? Dismal in the sense gloomy. Gloomy in the sense it is a very dark thing, dark day for them. Okay, dark day in the sense they did not enjoy anything. So that is what they are meaning here. They were nearing the end of the dismal, gloomy day. It is becoming dark, end of the day. That is said to be as dismal. Duckweed, I explained you earlier, it is a tiny flowering plant that is found in the water, that is in the pond. And the next key word is daft. Daft in the sense foolish. All the ducks in the pond were behaved very foolishly, in the sense they all were quack, quack, quacking, right? So this is said to be as daft. So children, hope all of you enjoyed the poem Daddy Fell into the Pond, isn't it? Thank you so much for listening, children. Take care. Bye-bye.